This customer finally raised a white flag and said, "I need help." He's done a lot of fixes to this garage door, but it's now barely operational. So let's talk about what he did with these springs and cables and what it should look like. While these springs aren't gapped or broken, they're not the correct size for the door and they're not installed properly. This manufacturer supplies a bracket that the spring should be installed directly to. Adding a carabiner was a terrible idea. It's not as strong as the spring and is now the weakest link. You need to have a safety cable, but this one here isn't actually providing any safety. Instead of keeping a broken spring safely above my head, heading right for it. Time to get it all fixed up. First, we've attached the spring to the eye hook and we've eliminated that weak link. You can see we've installed everything just a little higher for a better operation. Next, we ran the safety cable through the track and attach it to the goalpost. So if the spring breaks, it's no longer pointed at the homeowner. I'm much happier with the safety and the operation of this door, and I know the homeowner will be too.